In today's video, I will show you how to recognize the real AirPods Pro from the fake ones, because there's a lot of fake products for the Apple products out there, especially secondhand. So first of all, if you get the box in your own hands, try to check how the fit is of the box, and especially the corners of the fake ones are really not well produced. Also, everything inside of the box will be plastic, whereas in the box from Apple, everything is made from paper and not from plastic as such. Also, the logo of Apple is much more shiny on the fake ones, and on the real ones it's more matte color, more matte finish. Also, on the AirPods charging case, the real ones are made in Vietnam and the fake ones are made in China. But this is not really that easy to recognize, because a lot of Apple products today are still made in China. Also, on the papers, the fake ones show the phone plus iOS. On the real ones, it shows an app, tablet, and an iPhone plus AirPods Pro. The papers are also rounded corners on the real ones, and on the fake ones, it's more cheap, more rectangular corners like that. Also, the ear tips are snug into place for the real ones, like you see on the left, and on the right they are loose, and the paper doesn't show any ridges as the real ones do. So that's also an important one to notice. And then lastly, if you go into the software, you will not find the AirPods Pro inside the general tab, and the model number will also not be right. It will start with a 0 or something else. So double check your serial number, especially on the Apple website, before you buy something of Apple, because it will show if it's real or if it's fake. Thank you very much. Click that like button, share something, an experience in the comments if you want to help improve to recognize those fake ones. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.